Welcome to our channel. If you need to download Zoom recordings for review or archival purposes, follow these step-by-step instructions to save recordings to your local device. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to zoom.us. Log in to your Zoom account using your email and password. Step 2. Click on Recordings in the left sidebar menu to view all your cloud and local recordings. Step 3. For cloud recordings, find the recording you want to download from the list. You'll see the meeting topic, date, and file size. Step 4. Click on the recording title to expand the details and view all available files, including video, audio, and chat transcripts. Step 5. Click the Download button next to the specific file you want to save. You can download the video file, audio only, or chat transcript separately. Step 6. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file and wait for the download to complete. Large recordings may take several minutes. Step 7. For local recordings saved directly to your computer during the meeting, navigate to the Zoom folder on your device. By default, this is in Documents/Zoom. Step 8. If you're downloading someone else's recording that was shared with you, click the shared link, log in if required, and follow the same download process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.